Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix PC automatic shutdown in Windows 11. First you need to go to Start menu, go to Setting, under the System section, scroll down a little bit, go to Troubleshoot, tap on Other Troubleshooters, scroll down, go to Power section, tap on Run. It will be run the Power Troubleshooter to detect issues. So you can see there is no changes to in my case because I have no issues with the power. Just close this one, go to search bar, search for Run, tap on the application. You need to type control and hit enter. It will open control panel. Navigate to hardware and sound and make sure to view by set as category. Go to power options. In the left side menu, tap on choose what the power buttons do. You can see these are inactive, so you need to tap on change settings that are currently unavailable and uncheck the turn on fast startup. Uncheck like this, then after tap on save changes. Then close this one. Again go to start menu, go to setting. In this under the system, go to power and battery option. Under the screen and sleep option, in the on battery power, turn off my screen after, and when plugged in, turn off my screen, and this one, it shows sometimes you have to put all the things into never, like this one never, and this one also never. So then after close this one. Now again go to search bar, search for view advanced power setting, view advanced system setting, not power setting. You can see it is here. Tap on it. Under the startup and recovery, go to setting. In the system failure, there is option automatic restart. Untick this one and tap on OK and click OK to save. And again go to search bar, search for task scheduler, tap on it. So in this case you can see there is no task in here. If you see any task that is related with the shutdown or restart, that is trigger the shutdown or restart, disable it using right click on that task and tap on disable. And again you can go to start menu, go to setting, go to Windows Update, tap on resume updates if you post the updates, and if you see check for update kind of button, just tap on it, then it will be check the latest update and download it. So it also help to fix the random shutdowns. And again go to search bar, search for command prompt, right click on it, tap on run as administrator, tap on yes. Now you need to type DISM space /online space /cleanup -image space /restore health and hit enter. You can see it is running. Again you need to type, then after the process is completed, sfc space /scan now and hit enter. Then it will be scan the whole system and find the corrupted file and fix those files for you. Finally you can find the monitor for overheating using MSI Afterburner kind of software, because overheating affect to restart your computer. So these are the methods you can try to fix your random shutdowns in your computer. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.